Sponge Buckle. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can quickly trace an image in Photoshop. Now, first thing to do, just quickly go to Filter and Filter Gallery, and I'm going to go for Poster Edges, modify the edge thickness depending on what you particularly like, click OK, and then once you've done that, just go to Image, Adjustments and Exposure. So I'm just going to push the exposure up, click OK. Now, Pass, so Window and Pass. Just going to go to the selection tool over here, the magic wand, click there and select similar. So everything's selected now, they're all black. Go to Pass, make work path, click OK, and then once done that, edit and define custom shape. So you've got it as a custom shape. That's one way of tracing an image in Photoshop. Now, another approach, I'm just going to go back there, black and white, just go to Filter, Filter Gallery, and then Sketch, Halftone Patterns, and use something like Circle. Go for Circle, you can modify the size, just reduce it down there, just change that. So you've got the image there, click OK. Once you've got that, again, go to the magic wand, select, and select Similar. Go over here to Pass, and make work path, click OK. And again, edit and define custom shape. Click OK. So that's a couple of approaches. There's another approach as well which can be used black and white. I'm just going to go back there. And of course, if you've got a colour image, I think it's just best really to put it in black and white first. Tweak it, modify, sharpen, and noise reduction, etc. But depends what you want. So filter and filter gallery. Oh, before I go, just on there, halftone. Make certain the black and white there. Otherwise, if you've got black and black, it will not look so great. So black and white there. That's the key thing about halftone circle. Now, as well as some of the other filters in the filter gallery. So filter gallery, and now once you've done that, go to photocopy, and you've got the detail. Just going to reduce it down there, just about there. Darkness, you can modify that. Just about. Click OK. Once you've got that, personally, it's not so great. But again, you can use a similar sort of approach with sort of the magic wand. Just go there, select black, and select and similar. So got that. Then you can go over here to the pass and make work path. Click OK, and it processes it and creates yet another custom shape. Personally, I think the halftone approach is much nicer, but each their own. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you very much.